Welcome to how to earn money from Facebook tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money from Facebook by creating affiliate programs. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So what do we mean by affiliate program? So if you have a business and you want to share it with more people and you want to double or triple the sellings, you can use creators or any person to market your product for you, and you give him commission for every person that buys from you. So if you have a business, you can join Facebook and then create a page, and then after you create a page, you make affiliate program to make people share your own business. So here's someone who is looking for people to join his affiliate team and earn 20% commission. And there's a lot of businesses that make this in Facebook, as you see here. So here's an example of a business who uses affiliate programs. So as you see, Lululemon gives affiliate program for creators and normal persons. So all you need to do is just sign up, then learn their brand, then earn commission for every time someone clicks your link. And all you need to sign up is click the link and apply for the program using your information, and then after they accept you, you will share the link that they give you and you will get commission. So that's how affiliate programs works using Facebook. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.